There you go. Look at his mouth. He's the loudest thing ever. And we're standing a foot away. Makes my ears hurt. Look at it going.
You guys can't hear a lot of it, but he's like really loud. From out here, you can't hear very well
When
on
he
camera.
wants to take and go, he puffs it up. Where's he at? Oh, there he is. He's talking to the camera. You can get in close like this. We're holding a flashlight, and he don't care.